Good morning, everyone. I'm excited to welcome you to today's presentation. We're going to explore the fascinating world of cash books and their various types. On this first slide, you'll see the title, Cash Book and Its Types, along with a brief subtitle about simple, 2-column and 3-column cash books. Over the next few minutes, we'll briefly cover what each of these types is and how they are used in managing cash transactions. So let's get started and discover how these tools help keep financial records accurate and organized. Now let's take a closer look at what a cash book actually is. Essentially, it's a primary accounting book that records all cash transactions, so anytime cash comes in or goes out, it gets documented here. This includes receipts from sales or other income, as well as payments made for expenses or purchases. What's really important to understand is that the cash book acts as both a journal and a ledger. That means it captures the initial entries of every cash transaction and also helps organize those transactions in a way that makes it easy to track cash flow over time. Another key point is that it maintains a chronological record of all cash activities. So, transactions are recorded in the order they happen, which makes it straightforward to see the sequence of cash movements. This helps in keeping accurate and transparent financial records, which is crucial for effective financial management. Overall, the cash book is fundamental because it provides a clear, real-time snapshot of a business's cash position, supporting better decision-making and financial control. Now, let's take a look at the different types of cash books we commonly encounter. First up, we have the simple cash book. This is the most basic form, where we record all cash receipts and payments without any separate columns for different types of data. It's straightforward and easy to maintain, making it ideal for small businesses or when only cash transactions are involved. Next, we have the 2-column cash book. As the name suggests, this version includes 2 main columns, one for the amount of cash received and another for cash paid. This setup allows for a clearer distinction between inflows and outflows, helping us quickly see the cash position at any given time. It's a step up in detail from the simple version and provides better control over cash management. Finally, there's the 3-column cash book. This is the most comprehensive of the 3. Besides the columns for receipts and payments, it also includes a 3rd column dedicated to bank transactions. This setup is particularly useful for businesses that handle both cash and bank transactions regularly, as it consolidates all cash and bank activities into a single record. It really helps in maintaining a complete and accurate picture of a company's liquidity. In summary, choosing the right type of cash book depends on the complexity of your transactions and the level of detail you need. Each type plays a vital role in effective cash management, which ties back to our overall theme of maintaining financial accuracy and control. All right, let's take a closer look at the simple cash book. Essentially, it features just one cash column on each side, so a debit side and a credit side. The debit side is where we record cash received, while the credit side shows cash paid out. It's quite straightforward in that respect. Another important point is that it doesn't include any bank or discount entries. This means it's purely focused on actual cash transactions. No banking details or discounts are recorded here. This type of cash book is particularly useful when a business is only dealing with cash transactions, without involving bank accounts. It simplifies recording and helps keep track of cash flow in a clear, easy-to-understand way. So, in the context of our overall theme, it's a practical tool for small or straightforward cash-based operations, ensuring that cash movements are properly documented without unnecessary complexity. Now, let's take a closer look at the 2-column cash book. As the name suggests, this particular cash book has 2 columns on each side, and those columns are designated for cash and discount. This format allows us to record not just cash transactions, but also any discounts that are allowed or received. It's especially useful in businesses where cash dealings and discounts are frequent, because it helps keep everything organized and easily accessible. By tracking discounts separately, we can get a clearer picture of the actual cash flow and the impact of discounts on our transactions. So, to sum up, the The two-column cash book is a practical tool for managing cash and discount activities in a business, making it easier to monitor and analyze these critical components of daily operations. It ties into our overall theme of effective financial management by providing a straightforward way to record and review cash-related transactions. Now let's take a closer look at the three-column cash book. This is a vital tool used in accounting to keep track of cash, bank, and discounts all in one place. As the name suggests, it features three columns on each side. So on the debit side, you'll record cash received, bank deposits, and any discounts offered or received. On the credit side, you'll record cash payments, bank withdrawals, and discounts granted. The purpose of having these three columns is to provide a clear and organized way to record transactions involving cash and bank dealings, along with discounts, which are common in many businesses. This setup allows for easy tracking and reconciliation of these different types of transactions. It's especially useful for businesses that handle both cash and bank transactions regularly, as it consolidates everything into a single ledger. By doing so, it simplifies the process of monitoring the flow of cash and bank balances, while also keeping an eye on discounts, which can impact the overall profitability. Overall, the three-column cash book helps ensure accuracy and efficiency in financial record-keeping, making it easier to prepare financial statements and analyze financial performance. It's a practical tool that connects seamlessly with the broader theme of maintaining transparent and organized accounting records. All right, let's wrap things up with a quick summary of the different types of cash books we've discussed. First, we have the simple cash book, which includes just the cash column. This is useful when you're primarily tracking cash transactions only, so it keeps things straightforward. Next is the two-column cash book, which adds a second column for discounts, alongside cash. This helps in managing not just cash transactions, but also any discounts offered or received, giving a bit more detail. Then we have the three-column cash book, which includes cash, bank, and discounts all together. This is particularly helpful when you want a comprehensive view of your cash and bank transactions, along with discounts, all in one place. These variations show how the cash book can be tailored to different business needs, from simple to more detailed tracking. Ultimately, choosing the right type depends on the level of detail your business requires and helps ensure accurate financial management. This overview ties back to our overall theme of understanding proper bookkeeping practices and how to adapt them to fit different scenarios.